I help you?
Oh, am I at the right Hot Topic location?
Yes, sir.
I have to take this present back.
Oh, you're gonna have to go way back in that alley by yourself, and then you're gonna have to go around the corner and past the tree and run in the field as fast as you can when you hear the scary noise behind you. Good luck.
Welcome.
Hi. Okay, yeah, you're wearing a lot of sharp things.
What can I do for you?
I got this present, and I just want to take back this present and
Do you have a receipt?
I don't!
Well, then I'm sorry. You must die.
All right. All right, give me a genre for television. All right.
Dramatic.
Soap opera seems to get the girl said soap opera over there.
Jessica,
Yes?
I've got something for you.
I know you've got something for me.
Well, damn it. Here you go.
It's hideous. It looks like the thing you gave my sister!
Fine, I'll take it back. But don't be worried if I come back looking like an entirely different person because I was recast.
How can I help you?
Jessica doesn't like the present I got for her, so I must take it back.
I'm afraid I don't have the power to help you. You're gonna have to speak to my manager.
Fine.
Jorge, is it you? I've been waiting for you, and you went with that Jessica, but I knew you'd be back.
Yolanda, you got the promotion, apparently.
I did, and now we can live happily ever after if you leave that Jessica.
Well, I might. She doesn't like what I got for her, so I must
How?
return it back to the store.
How could she not?
She's a bitch.
Return it to me and my heart, and we can be together forever, Jorge.
I'm kind of in deep with Jessica, so this ain't gonna work. But listen, can I just take this, return this?
Jorge, I can't. I just can't.
Fine. I'll be back. But I'll be dead. But I'll be back in your dreams. But I'll be back and in the shower.
As a ghost?
Sure, as a ghost, and then I'll come back, I'll be real, and then we'll forget about everything and it was all a dream.
Jorge!
Never forget the time we shared. Jessica,
Yes, Jorge.
they don't take returns.
You're not Jorge! Oh, they're near though. Hi, Jorge, what's up?
All right. Good job.
Rotisserie? I just missed it. You
Where am I? What?
just rotisserizing the wrong way.
How about you guys got to figure it out?
No.
Nah.
All right.
Where do I go?
Improv.
Genre for give me for theater. Theater. Shakespeare.
Great. Thanks. Doth thy love I gaveth thee thou this there item.
How thou dareth giveth that crappeth.
Why hath you not like,
Taketh back to where you found it.
oh, the heart,
I'll be here with a heavy heart, waiting for your return.
the heart breaks, knowing thou is
Hurry, thou tights itch.
happy. Good morrow, sir. I have this item to return.
Who dares doth return such piece of crappeth?
Thou seest not good.
No, nay, insidious.
Thou hope you will let thy pass.
Thine must speak with thine manager.
Good morrow, sir. Thy hath found this thing that thy love doth not love.
Doth not love.
Doth not
Doth
love.
not love. Fair
And
maiden and nun, why hast thou come here with this object of non-desire?
an exchange must be made to continue thy love.
Nay! An exchange shall not be made, not on this day. I swear it.
An exchange cannot be made on this day. He swore it.
Forsooth. Let's go to the one.
That mess everything up.
Go to the one you haven't done yet.
Clearly, I teach Shakespeare.
All right, got one more here.
By the way,
Give me-
these guys can like create body parts, and we don't know where to go. I just want to put that out there.
Can't go in a circle.
Give me your favorite international TV station. Foreign TV station, the BBC. The BBC. The BBC.
I have this gift for my fair. I'm still in Shakespeare, damn it. For my companion, Rose. Rose, I brought you this gift from all across time and space.
Hi, Jesse. It's Rose. I don't have a British accent, but I'm still on BBC because I'm cute. This thing you got, it's not so good. I'm going to need a new one and stat. Goodbye. I have things to do. And coming up tomorrow, me looking for a new boyfriend.
Howdy, Governor. How are you doing?
Howdy, Governor.
That's all you get, sir.
I bought this present for Rose, hillbilly Englishman.
Blimey.
It seems I have to return it, unfortunately.
Well, that sucks.
Can you help me with this?
I can't, but my governor can.
You
Might as well handle the whole hillbilly thing.
All right.
He meant governess, and I must say, did you get that object to that American hussy?
I did,
Oh,
but
my
she didn't
dear,
like it.
my dear boy, my dear boy. I told you not to come back to the Abbey if she wouldn't agree to take it. Here's the deal. Gifts like that snow globe or whatever ugly thing you got, huh? It's like genitalia. It's perfectly good to have and quite wonderful to be excited about, but once you wave it in my face, my dear, we have a problem. And you have a second problem because you don't have a receipt.
Damn it! I'll have to let her know.
Do step gently.
Howdy, Governor.
Bubbles and squeak.
Did you get me something new?
Yes, it just looks like the exact same thing I got you before.
Coming up next, how my boyfriend's going to get laid tonight.
All right, everybody, a round of applause for Nuts and Bolts. And if you want to come back down, we have a show Saturday night, 8 o'clock, Xerox Auditorium, part of the Fringe Festival. 8:30 is the show, apparently. I'll be there at 8, but the show's at 8:30. All right, so 8:30 this Saturday over at the Xerox Auditorium, a couple blocks over.